Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the Term 1, Week 4 of Science 9 for Day 1, Nature of Electricity. Objectives: explain how electricity flows in a closed circuit. Recognize the importance of electricity in everyday life and describe the role of electrons in producing electric current. For activity, let us answer these questions. Number 1, the flow of electrons through a circuit is called blank. Anong tawag dun sa flow of electrons? Okay, the answer is electricity. A complete path for electricity is called circuit. A material that blocks electricity is called blank. Okay, insulator. A device that opens or closes a circuit is called switch, or ang ibang tawag po dyan, circuit breaker, switch, or fuse. The source of electrical energy is a blank. Okay, battery. Electricity stops flowing when there is a blank open circuit. The path where electrons move is called blank. Okay, wire. The particle that moves in electricity is blank. Electron. The flow of charge in a wire is called electric current. Electricity flows when the circuit is blank. Okay, when the circuit is closed. Okay, let us unlock the definition of terms. Okay, number 1, the flow of electric charge. Anong tawag doon sa flow of electric charge? Okay, electricity. A tiny negatively charged particle, or ito kasama ito sa subatomic particle of matter, of atom. Okay, that is electron. The movement of electrons, yung paggalaw ng electrons, that is electric current. A complete path where electricity flows. Okay, that is circuit. A complete path that allows electricity to flow. Okay, closed circuit. Ito, next. A broken path that stops electricity. Okay, that is open circuit. Material that allows electricity to pass. So, ang tawag doon sa mga material that allows the flow of electricity and heat. Okay, that is conductor. Material that blocks electricity. Okay, that is insulator. Okay, what is electricity? Electricity is the flow of electrons through a circuit. Electrons are tiny negatively charged particles found in atoms. When electrons move through a wire in a complete path, electric current is produced. So what is electric current and the direction of flow of current? Okay, electrons flow from negative to positive. Tanda po natin ito, yung flow ng electrons from negative to positive. But conventional electric current flows from positive to negative, or the reverse. Electric current is the movement of electrons in a conductor like copper wire. No movement of electrons equals no electric current. So kapag hindi pala gumalaw si electron, tanda po natin, si electron kasi siya yung may bit-bit ng charge. So ano naman yung electric current? Ito yung charge na kinuha mo lang yung rate, yung oras. Ano po, yun yung current. Okay, closed and open circuit. Anong pagkakaiba? Okay, closed circuit. A closed circuit has a complete path. So electricity flows. Kapag naka-close, yun, gagana yung appliance or yung ilaw. Example, a bulb lights up. Okay, what is open circuit? An open circuit has a broken path. Electricity does not flow. Yun. Kumbaga sa katapat yan, naka-off ang switch. Pero open ang circuit. Pag sinabing open, hindi continuous yung daloy. Kaya hindi siya gagana. Example is a broken wire. Okay, real life situation. Situation number 1, phone charger. Why does a phone stop charging when the wire is broken? Because the circuit becomes open, so electrons cannot flow. Okay, situation number 2, the light switch. Why does a bulb turn off when you switch it off? Okay, the switch off opens the circuit. So yung off pala, yun binubuksan niya yung circuit, walang daloy ng kuryente. Situation number 3, extension cord. If an extension cord is cut, appliances will not work. Okay, because the path of electron is interrupted. Electricity flows from, number 1, from the power source, battery or outlet. That is positive to negative, yung electricity. Through wires, number 2. And then number 3, to the device load like bulb. Ang tawag doon sa mga devices na nakakonect sa circuit ay loads, kagaya ng bombilya, appliances. And then back to the source. Yun. Pwede nyo po itong panoorin. Okay, for assessment, let us check your understanding. Number 1, electricity is the flow of blank. Protons, neutrons, electrons, atoms. What is the answer? Okay, electrons. Electric current is produced when electrons blank. Stop moving, move through a circuit, disappear, break. The answer is move through a circuit. A complete path for electricity is called a blank. Okay, that is closed circuit. Okay, number 4. A broken wire creates a blank. Open circuit, closed circuit, conductor, source. Okay, that is open circuit. Which material allows electricity to pass? So, anong tawag doon sa mga materials na dumadaloy ang kuryente? Okay. Ang tawag doon in general is conductor. Meaning, alin dito ang conductor? Okay, that is copper. Which particle carries electric current? Anong subatomic particle yung nagbibit-bit ng electric current? Okay, that is electron. When a switch is off, the circuit is blank. Kapag naka-off ang switch, ano ang circuit? Okay, the circuit is open. If electrons cannot move, there is no blank. Okay, there is no electric current. Which is an example of open circuit? Alin dyan? Open circuit. Okay, that is broken extension cord. Electricity flows only when the circuit is blank. Kapag naka-closed.